Hi everyone, this is Rucha and welcome back to my vlog. So nowadays we hear of so many cases of adulterated food products in the market, especially ghee, milk products, and recently I saw a video of some namkeen of some famous brand being adulterated. We recently have seen a case where even temple prasadam was not spared and the ghee used in the temple prasad was completely adulterated. Now this is all very heartbreaking because we invest so much of faith in these products thinking that they will support our health and they will be good and healthy, but unfortunately they are not. So what is the best way out? Homemade stuff, of course, and especially in milk and milk products we should be extra careful, and hence I thought I'll make ghee at home. We generally make ghee at home, we don't buy from outside. So today I thought I'll share the process or the recipe on how we make ghee at home. So come join me and let's see how ghee is made right from scratch. So the primary ingredient that we need to make ghee is milk cream or milk malai that comes on the milk. We usually use buffalo milk, so we get which is full fat. So we get a lot of thick cream, and we collect the enough quantity of malai within a few days. But those who use cow milk might take a little more time because the malai there is fairly thin. So I have collected malai over a period of say about 2 weeks, and which is about almost over a liter of malai that I would have collected. I added a little bit of dahi to it to curdle it. So you're supposed to curdle the malai for about 2 weeks. You keep adding new malai every day. Put a little bit of teaspoon of curd in a pot and keep adding malai every day. So over a period of 15 days or 20 days, as much as quantity you collect, the malai gets curdled, and thereafter you can make the next process. Is the malai that I have collected over the past 2 weeks, and I have put it in this pot. Now from this malai we will make butter by churning it. So this is a hand blender that I use to churn malai. A lot of people can use the wooden blender and churn the malai with hand, but this is an electric blender which kind of makes it faster for me. So let's do this. So I think the cream is properly churned and beaten. It has become fluffy and creamy, and when I take this out, I should be able to get stiff peaks like this. See, can you see these stiff peaks here? They are not moving, so that means the cream is done. Now the next step is to wash this. Now I'm going to add some cold water to this and wash this churned cream, which is now turned into butter, at least 2-3 times, so it's clean, and throw away this water. Just wash it thoroughly, because there could be some sourness or smell. All that will go once you've washed it. Washing this is my third wash, and this is how I will throw away the water. All this water can be collected. Sorry, I dropped a little, but all this water can be collected. A lot of people use this as chas and drink it. It is very, very healthy, but I have churned it so much that I don't think this is going to be that tasty of water. So I'm going to throw it away. So after I've thrown the water away, I've removed the water from this. I have nice yummy creamy butter ready. I love this butter on my breads. It is, I think, the purest form of butter, unprocessed, and absolutely pure and homemade. I love this. So the next step is to put this butter on the stove, on the gas, and then wait for it to melt into and form ghee. So here is the lovely yummy butter. I feel like eating it, but I'm not, because we offer this to Krishna Bhagwan, to God, and then consume anything that we cook. So I'm not going to eat it. I'm going to put it back and make this into ghee. Right. So the next step in the process is to put this makhan or this butter on the stove. And wait for it to melt. Put it on low flame. Now this will take almost an hour for it to melt and convert into ghee. Beautiful. So it has already started melting. Now you can see the butter has completely melted in 2 to 3 minutes, and now we're going to wait for this liquid to turn transparent. The minute it turns transparent, we've had our lovely ghee. So slowly and steadily it is now getting transparent, but we still have a long way to go. It's been about 15 minutes that this is on the gas. So now you can see it has all started turning transparent and the particles have settled below. We'll just wait for it to turn, the particles to turn brownish. Then we'll turn off the gas and we will strain our ghee into this container here. Now that the ghee has cooled down, I'm straining it through this strainer into this glass container. I have completely strained the entire ghee into this container. I think this must be about 350 to 400 grams of ghee, and it looks so beautiful. So friends, finally this ghee of mine is ready. It did take a lot of efforts, it does take some amount of hard work, but at the end of the day, when you see such a beautiful product of your own creation, the satisfaction is at a different level. And we are also very well convinced and rest assured that this is pure and unadulterated, unlike what we might get in the market, which might have some obnoxious products or ingredients going into the ghee. So you can also make this ghee at home and make lovely Diwali sweets out of it and relish your homemade ghee, Desi ghee Diwali sweets. And let me know in the comments box below, how do you make ghee at home? What is your process? So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and share it with more and more of your friends so they also can make Desi ghee and they are also encouraged to make ghee at home. Thank you. Wish you all a very happy Diwali.